we are looking at how to pronounce these words. Yes, they look different, they have a very different meaning, but they are homophones, meaning that they are to be pronounced the exact same way. The first word, the top word, is said as air in British English. The H is silent here, air. The bottom word is also to be said as air, air in British English, or air, air in American English. Two different words, same pronunciation. And now you know. Like this video if you found it useful. Subscribe to learn more. Here are more videos to learn more correct pronunciations. Thanks for your support and thanks for watching.